Alright guys, so welcome to this live market update. Live because I'm live, but unfortunately the market is not open yet. I'm still in Hong Kong, moving at the end of the month, guys. So I wanted to make this update because we had a pretty bad day yesterday. Hey bro, what's up? On most of meme stocks, on AMC, GME, so I'm gonna go of course through those two. Some other stocks actually hold pretty well, like FCEL, which we are in. I also want to talk about BLNK that had a very interesting move up 2 days ago. That got then it was just a pullback, I think. Hey Jacob, what's up, bro? Hey bro. AMC to the moon, yes, but maybe not right now. We're gonna discuss this. So as usual guys, I'm gonna keep an eye on the chat, and whenever I see some stocks that you guys want me to analyze, I'm gonna go to it. But let's start with AMC and GameStop, because I know that those two are very important. They are to me actually they represent the apes movement, that's it. So they are just like indices, just like the S&P 500, the Nasdaq. Of course they're smaller, but compared to the other meme stock market capitalization, they are actually quite big. We're talking around 20 billion USD for each, which is a lot. Hey brother, what's up? So I think that basically checking the flows that go in and out of those two is a very good information about what can happen with the other meme stocks. So let's analyze that. We had a pretty bad day, so I think everything is starting from AMC. So as you guys know, we had earnings announced yesterday, 2 days ago, on the 8th of November. So sorry, just one sec. Okay, so let's check what those earnings were. So I'm going on Bloomberg, and I just want to show you guys that the earnings were good, so ERN, sorry, it's not Tesla. Okay, AMC. Okay guys, so this is Bloomberg, and you can see that here the expected earnings of the third quarter announced on the 8th of November were supposed to be minus 53 cents per share, and they were better than that. They were minus 44. So we still had negative earnings, just as expected, but less negative than analysts were thinking. So this is a positive surprise, as you can see, plus 17%. So we had basically good news. So I think that this is actually a nice example to illustrate what often happens on the market. It's not on AMC or GME, only on meme stocks. This is a saying that we have in finance for most of stocks or even indices. It is buy the rumor, sell the news, and this is exactly what happened here. So basically, it's been 1 week. Investors are preparing to get this news. So as you can see, guys, I'm on a daily time frame here, and the past 10 days were actually bullish. We came close to this major resistance level that was here. Whenever you see the price action going higher like this, it's always important to check what is the volume doing. But guys, the volume was going higher too. So sometimes when you do an analysis and then you see that actually things didn't go the way you were thinking, you check again and sometimes see some signals that you could have used. But in this case, there are almost no bearish signals that could have been used to anticipate what happened here. So so this is a very, I would say, pure fake out. Why is it a pure fake out? Because as you guys can see, investors were buying here once again on the rumor about good results, and we had here a daily close above this blue trend line that I get by connecting the highs that are here, and it was also the recent high that we had in October. So this 44 level was very important. I will talk about NIO just after, of course. So here we went above that level with volume and we did a new high. So this is the definition of a breakout, and it's also suggesting that we are going to have a reversal. Whenever you see for the first time in 6 months a higher high, you know, this didn't happen for, you know, this whole period. That was a corrective period, and here we had it. So to me, you know, it was a very good signal. We were above the moving averages, so everything was looking perfect here. We had the good news, the results, the volume increase. So I mean, you know, sometimes it just happens. TA here could not, or I mean, at least using my tools, I don't see any signal that could have tell us what would happen. The only thing we could have used is this saying that is, once again, buy the rumor, sell the news. And just after the news, investors just got out of this trade and probably put their money somewhere else where some news is coming. So what is the situation right now? Because this is what we are wondering. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to go on a 4 hour time frame. And we are still, for now, in this scenario, to me, that is intact. Hey, brother. Yes, bull trap. This is, yeah, exactly. This is a fake out. This is a bull trap. The only thing we can say is that, you know, whenever we have a breakout, so I personally like to trade the first candle, otherwise you might be late. But to be 100% sure, and this is what I was saying on my Discord in my daily recap on AMC, we need to wait a second candle to close above the breakout level. And you can see that even on the 4 hour time frame, we didn't have it. So basically this breakout was actually very quick. Let's see for how long did we manage to stay actually there. If I go on an hourly time frame, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we stayed 3 hours above that level. So not even a full 4 hour candle. So for this reason, this breakout was not strong enough to hold for now. So I'm coming back to my scenario. What can happen from here? So I think that this triangle ABCDE is still good. We are, of course, still in a triangle. I'm not sure I'm gonna, you know, update my trend line or not. You know, let me see if I can find something that is fitting better. You see, maybe we would need to do this kind of trend line from now on. You know, this is the issue. Whenever you have a fake out, then the breakout level is not clean anymore, and we need to find a new area where this breakout can happen again. So I'm going to use this trend line, and for now let's assume this scenario is still on the table. So you guys know that in this kind of situation we can use ELLIOTT wave theory and Fibonacci. So just one sec. Seems like my battery is not very well loaded. All right, but I hope it's gonna work. If I'm out, guys, of the live, it means I had some issues with my computer, but I hope it will hold. So here we can measure the second wave. This is the first information we can use. Once again, guys, I invite you to go check this out. So you type ELLIOTT wave theory, Frost and Presta. You guys know this is my Bible. This is a very interesting book that I encourage all of you to read. And in here, whenever you go, I know I showed you guys this many times, but it's still important to see it again. Okay, page 78, guys. Okay, and here you can see that second waves, they usually go to the 61.8% retracement of wave 1. So we know that this is a first wave. I mean, this is what we're going to assume. So because this would be the wave that is actually the first wave of the reversal, so it's a typical first wave. And we're going to measure the size of this first wave. And see where is the 61.8% retracement, and it is at 39. Yeah, all right, the video stream is laggy. I can see it too. There's nothing much I can do for that, so I just hope it's gonna be better. You choose interesting. Okay, it seems like indeed my stream is a bit slow. I'm gonna stick to that, and if it's not going better in a few minutes, I'll just restart it. So here, once again, we are wondering how low the second wave can go, so we're gonna use the 61.8% retracement of Fibs, and this is giving us 39 as a level. So we have a first support at 39. Then we can check, let's go back on the daily time frame. Hey, morning, brother. I'm from Poland. Cześć, jak się masz, Adam? All right. So, the second wave can go, we said, to 39. We also have on the daily time frame, I prefer to use moving averages from the daily time frame because they are giving usually better reactions. So here, we have the 20 period moving average coming at 39, so this would be the level that makes the most sense to me. The pre-market has just started, it's rather flattish. All right, so 39 should hold, and let's right away see the alternative scenario, guys, which is, okay, sorry, bam. Okay, the alternative scenario is just that our E wave is actually a bit longer. All right, give me a sec. Okay, how is the video, guys? Can you tell me in the comments? Is it better, the quality, or is it still lagging? Bad. Okay. Well, let me keep doing that, and let's see if it doesn't go better. Once again, I will just stop it and redo another one. So here the alternative scenario, guys, is that the E wave is actually not finished here, but that the E wave is slightly going further. So in this scenario, we might even go to lower levels like 37. So I would say that the support area is 37, 39. If we hold above 39, it means that we are in this scenario 1, 2, 3, and that we're gonna have a massive third wave coming. This is of course on the table. And if we go below 39, then it's probably not a 1, 2. It means probably that we have a new wave that is longer. The video is still laggy. Okay, I'm just gonna finish on AMC, and then I'm just gonna restart my computer and hope this will be better. Let me finish this scenario. So if we go below 39, it means that we would probably have a consolidation period around here, you know, and then start again the new cycle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this would not change a lot the overall the outcome, the final outcome would still have something like this, but it would just delay it. So careful if you have options. Here we lost, to me, 1 week or maybe even 1 month to the first scenario where we reached the target quicker. So once again, I think that 37, 39 is a good area to get in, and we need right now to, you know, do this breakout again. So 44 is probably still going to be the level to break above, but now we have this new high here. So basically we would need to see a close above. This high was at 46 right now, so we need a full day trading above 46 to make sure the bears are letting it go. Alright guys, so I have some issues I think with my video, so I'm just gonna stop this live here, and I'm gonna start again very soon where I'm gonna discuss GME, BLNK, RIOT, FCEL, everything you guys want me to talk about. So see you